You know Chopsley, on another hand. Chopsley from you know Marcus the Magnificent
yeah.
assistant.
Oh, talk about please talk about not the tall dude with the brown and the brown mask with the brown suit the brown mask on.
Yeah, him. Yeah, cause you know nothing much. Cause somebody say he was sick or whatever. You know.
He was sick.
Yeah, he's sick. Did they say? I'm not certain if he's still alive or what. Oh,
Oh, you recording?
Oh, I cut the camera back on, I guess. Yeah. All right, I'm back. Yeah, we all miss him though, you know. I mean,
yes, he did.
Huh?
Yes, he did.
What, Marcus the Magnificent?
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
So not one magnificent.
Oh, Chopsley? I'm not certain yet. All right, y'all.
Mar the Magnificent did.
Yes. Sid Noel that played him, you know.
Who?
Sid Noel.
Oh, that's his name.
Yeah, that's his real. Yeah, I didn't know that myself.
Name is
Yeah,
Martin,
I didn't know that honestly. I'm gonna keep it real. You didn't know, I didn't know.
What his name is? What his real name is?
Sid Noel, Noel, I do believe. Yeah.
What the first name is?
Sid SID.
Sid Noel.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So I had to stop the tape because it was too personal. You know, so anyway, so
Is it two L's or one
L? One L, I do believe.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. So
Okay,
so anyway, everything been good with me so far. And why you haven't came by?
What?
To the house?
Don't we have no time to go over there?
Yes, you do. He been acting funny, y'all. He have a goyle on his mind. He been crying all day and all night for this little girl.
This one for you.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Is this one right here?
Yeah, I think so. Look. Yes, that's him right there.
Oh, okay.
Yep. All right, so I had to show y'all. So look at this. Broncos fan. I saw this on your Broncos fan. Well, y'all already saw this on this channel though, and an embarrassing picture. I don't even want to show.
Hey.
I'm not showing that.
Hey.
Hell no. So anyway.
Yeah, that's when I was young. I think a lot of people probably was embarrassed at young. You know what the Santa Claus one?
Yeah, the Santa Claus was. So keep that to yourself, bro.
No, I got it on my Facebook. I mean on my YouTube. I don't care.
Well, whatever. Well,
so you can show them if you want to.
Well, this is the Domino 7 show. Okay, so anyway,
well, if y'all want to see it, go to my YouTube channel.
All right, what's the name of your channel?
Ranch TV.
All right, all right. It ain't nothing to be embarrassed for. Well, it's a live stream right now, you know. Like I did earlier. Before we talked about something personal, you say you whatever, but we ain't gonna talk like that.
Wait, so what you on Instagram?
No, I ain't on Instagram. Facebook.
You don't got Instagram on?
I do have Instagram, doggone it.
But you don't be on it that much.
Well, when I'm uploading, yep.
You upload what?
Pictures. Picture. Yep. So anyway, for anybody that's concerned, you're a wrestling fan, right?
That's right.
Okay. Yep. You got your house well decorated, or should I say your apartment?
Got 393 subscribers. You just got to delete some of that stuff. I told you that, bro.
Well,
you ain't gonna do it.
Well, whatever, bro. But anyway, y'all. As I was saying, though, I mean, helping out my best friend, female best friend, you know.
You help me out too, man. Delete on them down. What you call it?
All right, whatever, bro. So anyway, I mean, my next door neighbor I'm talking about, you know. We good friends, you know what I'm saying? Yep. So I don't even know if she want me to mention her name on my show, you know. She probably watching my video right now. Well, she probably gonna watch it if it get on her her timeline or whatever, you know. Last time, last week I bought her some chicken for her and her children.
Okay.
Yep. Well, I'm gonna mention my friend name anyway, Shamika. That's my female best friend, you know.
Yeah.
I love her to death. We close.
For sure.
Yep. Not better than Tanya, though. I miss Tanya, you know. Yeah, I mean, honestly. So anyway, y'all. I mean, do some of y'all remember Dianca?
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Yeah, whatever, blah blah, whatever.
What I want to do?
Oh, at least I sure showed you Diamond Dior. Huh?
Right here. Yellow too.
Yeah. So anyway, she cute, huh, yo?
Shy.
She alright, girl. I mean, oops. I mean, boy, it slipped out. Sorry. You know it slipped out, huh?
No, I know.
Yeah, because one day I accidentally called Brittany Erica. And one day I accidentally called Dianca Nyla.
So how you accidentally call me a girl name? Call me a girl.
It slipped, dang it. He offended everybody.
Woman.
I'm sorry, bro. It slipped out.
I know.
You know. Well, guess what?
No.
Brittany didn't understand, and Dianca didn't understand. She act like I called her Nyla on purpose. You know. I'm sorry to say. You know. Just in case this video get on her wall. I mean her timeline or news feed. You know. Because, you know, if I'm doing something, it's going to go on a news feed. And, you know, the last time I posted something about her, you know, she saw it and she started to cry. Truthfully, TV, I felt bad for making her cry, though.
Why you made her cry?
Well, let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
Well, what I did, bruh, she came out here. I'm talking to you viewers too. Okay, she came out here to New Orleans without letting me know.
Oh yeah, I remember you telling me. I was like a while back though, right?
Yeah, it was a while back, and I wanted to see her so bad. Oh look, 8-year-old sister belly dance.
What is?
Huh?
You find that cute?
No, not really. So for well, I don't care. Never mind that. So anyway, as I was.
You know what I'm saying? That's why movies. It's why.
Okay, but
I can't say it. I can't say it.
Not on TV. Okay, so anyway, we're not gonna show the viewers that, you know. So well, what the hell? We're not gonna say who. You know what I'm saying?
No, I know it wasn't that way, yeah, but I don't want to say what I really want to say about it.
Okay, when we stop the tape. But anyway, let me tell you, aren't you hot?
That's why. Cut the light.
Which one?
Wait, hold up.
All right.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah, you got the fan up. All right. Well, all right.
Want some chips?
No, thank you. Is there something else to eat besides that?
I told you got spaghetti. Well, I think how
Is what?
I think. Oh no, well yeah. I know we got spaghetti and meat sauce.
Well.
Want some of that?
Yeah, I would love to have some.
And we got some pork chops with it too.
Oh, I like pork chops too. Braided up. Oh, and guess what? Shamika fried pork chops, and it was braided, and it was good. Well, all right, y'all. I might be back with another one. Okay, so let me stop this.